Hello everyone, welcome back. And the next topic in CSS Flexbox. Use the Flexbox basis property to set the initial size of an item. The flex basis property specifies that the initial size of an item before CSS makes adjustment with flex string or flex grow. So, in case of any box, we don't have flex string property or flex grow property, then we can set a base initial size by using flex basis. The units used by flex basis property are the same as the size property, that is px, em, or percent etc. The value auto sizes items based on the content. So in this challenge, set the initial set the initial size of the boxes using flex basis. Add the CSS property flex basis to both box 1 and box 2. Give box 1 value of 10 em and box 2 value of 20 em. So let's set the flex basis for box 1 and box 2. Flex basis and 10 em, and for flex basis here basis 20 em, and we can see how this works. Means it will grow as much, means it's kind of set max value on the items, and if a screen size is less than that, then it will adjust according to the ratios. So in the box 1 element should have flex basis property, box 1 flex basis, the box 1 property it should be 10 em, and box 2 20 em. So let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.